The fat cats and scammers who want to manipulate you by starting internet stock gossip to take your hard-earned money have a phrase for you if you get suckered by them. The dumb money. Are you the dumb money? Based on a shocking recent discovery, there's a 96% chance you'll lose money if you buy a stock based on popular internet gossip. Here's just one of many recent examples. Rockley Photonics, RKLY is the ticker symbol. It was in the top 10 of stocks most gossiped about on the internet. Hundreds of thousands of people researching it every single month. But look what happened next. It plummeted and even ceased trading for a while after the company filed for bankruptcy. Perhaps you know that feeling. Many of these gossip garbage stocks won't go to zero, but they will sink or just drift sideways forever, torturing your account as you and your hard-earned money grow old. Maybe you also know this feeling. I learned this from experience over decades, and I will share my expensive education with you now. Because after figuring this out the hard way, I have proven a way to find the jackpot stocks hidden in the deluge of internet gossip. Jackpot stocks like this one. Just by finding the 4% of gossip stocks that could make you 10 times your money. Let's put 10 times your money in perspective. If you started with just $1,000 and made 10 times your money 3 times over, you'd only be 3 trades from $1 million. That's a fact. If you've had poor or mixed results from trading, it's not your fault, because much of the chatter and noise out there that's held you back is from people trying to manipulate prices so they can scalp a quick profit. It's called pumping and dumping, as in pumping a price up so they can dump it on unsuspecting people like you. So there's a lot of mud being thrown around, but there are jewels in that mud of misinformation if you know how to look. As an award-winning and best-selling author, I'm a truth seeker, and I'm not afraid to step on elitist toes. One book I wrote even had a petition signed by tens of thousands of people to ensure it wouldn't get banned. So, because I'm a veteran trader as well, it became my quest to learn and reveal the truth about what's really going on with all the hyped up stocks and internet chatter, and how to filter out the jackpot stocks that get lost in it. Over decades of hard study and a trading account riddled with bullet holes, I've discovered that only 4%, just 4% of all the thousands of stocks being chatted about over the internet, TV, and other media actually could be winning lottery tickets waiting to be picked up. The question is that stock you're researching one of them? Because the other 96% are widow makers. No doubt, privileged and legitimate insider information does get leaked out on the internet. The challenge with it, though, is that this valuable, true insider information gets overwhelmed by an avalanche of misinformation and nonsense. It's like having a treasure map with no X marks the spot. You know there's gold there, but the question is, where? Well, after years of testing and developing, there is now a proven way to see which of these hyped up stocks are actually worth the hype, and which stocks are more like bugs in search of a windshield. If you watch this free webinar, you'll have lost nothing, but not watching it could mean you lose a lot. The webinar you're about to watch explains, and it could save you from thousands of dollars of losses and make you thousands of % in gains. You see, my research has revealed a shocking discovery. These internet gossip stocks all have one thing in common. And that one thing they have in common is why this filter works so well. In this free webinar, I explained the 5 truth filters that are incredibly simple to use. You will be blown away by the difference this will make to your trading profits. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself on the webinar. Membership to this exclusive club I've created is free, and once you've entered your new member details below, as well as gaining access to the free webinar, you'll receive all this as part of your membership welcome package. 1. A link to the comprehensive webinar that explains these 5 simple truth filters proven to expose the jackpot stocks hidden in internet gossip. 2. A training video, this is another bonus, the 7 sales tricks of lousy stock tippers. 3. Another training video, how to beat 70% of Wall Street experts with a single trade. 4. Insider Riders. This is a trading manual that explains all my hard-won trading secrets and assumes you have 0 experience. 5. Live weekly stock market and trading updates, and much more. This is the cheapest, as in free, insurance you'll ever have. Now you can put any stock you hear about through a kind of lie detector. Wait until you see the results of trading on truth.